check. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another episode of the Daily Grind. Congratulations sa mga Izanagi holders! Right? Just wanna share my screen, big news po. Kasi I told you guys, pag umakyat na yung yellow na yan after the negative, our gains should be spiking up. Let me just zoom in. We are now at 257%, 0.48. 257.48. The previous days, nasa 249.48 lang yan. So, when the positions were already returning back, we're now spiking up to 57. Hindi po malabo to reach 260 before the end of the month. Ganda ng positions, man. Congratulations sa mga na-Izanagi dyan. Hopefully, nakapagsimula na kayo. But, before we go to more details about that, just want to say hi and welcome everyone to another episode of the Daily Grind. Shoutout sa ating mga kapayamang Aaron and kapayamang Shay. They were here in Cebu earlier. Medyo drop off lang, and then they're just waiting for the connecting flight, so I spent time with them. It was a good 4 hours with you guys. Is that 4 hours or 3 hours lang? Yeah, almost 4 hours with these guys. Kahit na short lang yung usapan natin, man. Shout out to you guys. Hopefully I can see you again. Alright, kapayamang Aaron is the voice behind Ed sa Stocksid natin, and he's one of the co-founder of Stocksid. So, and just to let you know more about Stocksid. Welcome to another episode of the Daily Grind, kung saan we talk about making money. Hindi lang po sa stock market, but making money in general. NFTs, cryptocurrency. Speaking of NFTs, I've been posting about this. Meron ba akong NFT na sinisimulan ngayon? Kasi a lot of people were asking me about NFTs. Ano ba magandang laro na NFT? Na okay yung laro, tsaka low risk. Alright, Thetan Arena, I've been posting about this. Nag-live pa ako kanina. I'm gonna tell you more about it later in this episode, but welcome to the Daily Grind. If hindi pa po kayo nakapag-share, I'm seeing 4 shares right now, and lahat po yan akin galing. Ay, may isa lang, at 3 yung akin dyan. So please share this video. Please po, hopefully I've earned this request from you guys. Please share this video to your friends and relatives, to your trading groups out there. Please share this video. Let the newbies know that there's a program like the Daily Grind that can help them in stock market journey. Para po, kasi yung mission namin is really to help the starters, right? Di bale na, hindi pa yung nagsisimula. Ang importante dito yung mga nagsisimula na sa stock market. Magabayan natin sila at wag po silang tumigil sa stock market since sakto yung galaw nila noon. I mean, sa simula pa lang, di ba? So please share this video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for sharing. I'm seeing the numbers going up sa shares. Thank you so much. Sa mga hindi pa nag-share, thank you pa rin. Pero share nyo sana, right? Welcome! Update tayo. PSEi. Let me share my screen again. And massive drop for PSEi. We started, let me just get a price range. From previous close, bumabot po siya ng 3.91% yung drop. 3.88, 3.85% ang drop. That's massive drop right there with a very huge volume on the sell-off. But, nung bumagsak siya, pinagbibili rin naman. So, lumakyat pa rin siya. And then end up with a green, but overall it's still negative 1.07%. We're at 7,200. Ladies and gentlemen, we're starting to touch lower Bollinger Bands. The market hasn't done this since September 29. And this time, this is a bearish signal, mind you. Yes, for the market at the very least, okay? So, I'm not a big fan of market right now. I guess we already discussed about this for quite a while already. We're expecting for the market to drop, and it's dropping right now. Right, green yan ngayon. It's too aggressive for me. I don't like the current situation of the market, so I am not a big fan of it. Bakit ba bumabagsak ang market? Let's change the music. Bakit ba bumabagsak ang market natin ngayon? And the answer is, do you have any idea? Chat, let me know. Do you have any idea? It's because of Lang. I'm just lowering the volume of the background music just to make sure mas rinig ako. Right? Dahil po sa bagong variant, hindi lang po ang Philippine Stock Exchange ang bumagsak. Even international markets, Nasdaq, etc. Because of the new variant scare, once again, na nagsimula sa Africa, Omicron, ba yung pangalan nito? Is that Omicron, right? Omicron variant, sorry. Not virant. Variant. So, sad to say, that's one of the catalysts for the market to drop. Whenever that happens, kasi natatakot ang mga investors, and there it is, we're seeing the drops right now. But don't worry about it. If ever ma-contain man yan, the market should be recovering. But then again, our market is already topish. So, it's a mix. It's a perfect storm. Technically, it's a combination of these situation to create the perfect storm na for the market to drop, right? So, yeah, topish yung market. Medyo may kamahalan na yung mga index stocks. Dumating pa yung bagong variant sa COVID, and there it is, the market dropped because of it. I'm expecting further drop, so don't go too aggressive on this. Yan, Omicron variant. Shout out sa mga may Izanagi dyan. Alam ko malaki ang smiles ninyo ngayon. Request ko lang, I know you guys are happy. Please make me happy further by helping us in our mission. Libre lang po sa Izanagi. So, wala po kaming budget pong marketing dyan. If ever you can comment your gains already and how many months are you in Izanagi. Post in the comments, let us know how your Izanagi is doing already. Let's invite those na mga newbies na nanonood. We have 67 right now watching here in Facebook. 67,000 viewers, and shout out to the 12,000 viewers here in YouTube. Magandang gabi. Alright, again, please share this video. Thank you so much. Again, sa mga Izanagi winners dyan, post your earnings, please. Post in the comments. Let's let people know about Izanagi and how well it has been doing for you guys. Yun lang ang request ko, alright, for Izanagi. Wala kasi kaming budget pang market talaga dyan. So, you're sharing your results is a very helpful thing for us. Ito yung mission natin about Izanagi. More about Izanagi later. Punta ka sa mga comments ninyo. Nana Joseph, good evening Sir Lloyd. Panic selling today. O nga, panic selling because of the COVID variant. Hi sir, nagkaroon po ba ng Kapayaman Arnel? Magkakaroon po ba ng Kapayaman Arnel for SPNEC? I'm still talking to Kapayaman Arnel. Si Kapayaman Arnel hangover pa yun kasi kinasal yun over the weekend. You know na, honeymoon. Kaya naman. So, no pressure kay Arnel. Pero yeah, I'll ask him. I'll wait for a response. Di pa lang ako na-respond. Medyo busy pa yung tao. So, let's just wait for him. Nana Joseph is asking about fruit and salad and the pea gold. Let's check out fruit. Right, Frutas Holdings. We have a downtrend line right here. Possible triangle formation already. So, if it breaks from this downtrend line, that's going to be a very good signal at the very least for you to get in. Major supports right here. Definitely buy there sa support na yan if ever bumaba pa. Little breakout. Pure Gold. Ayan. Si Ran Tabilas, thank you so much. 16.55%. October 1 to November 29. 2 months, 16.55%. Congratulations, Ran. Sa mga iba dyan, let us know how much your Izanagi has been doing already. Let me know in the comments, please. Thank you so much. Pure Gold. Support for Pure Gold, man. Massive bounce kanina. Sideways trade. That's a good buy right there. And then sell dito sa resistance area na ito. So, that's a buy. Good find. Galing. This is from Nana Joseph. Alkiso, good evening. Good evening, DMC, Bounce, MM, and DD. Let's check out DMC. Bounce and DMC. Ooh, massive bounce today. A big green for DMC. Actually, buy na to eh. We called this a buy already when it broke the trend line. So, the downtrend line. So, that was a buy. The support's right here. Kaya po may drawing na dyan noon pa. And hopefully, you did buy already when we called it a buy. When it broke the uptrend line, that's your buy. This is your major support. And bumaba sa major support kanina, pero big bounce already. Hopefully, nakuha nyo na. Medyo nakalipad na siya ngayon. Try to get a discount, man. Pero Dito pa lang, buy na yan for DMC. Get in there to support as much as possible. and Double Dragon. Bilis maubos na energy ko. Nag-live kasi ako kanina. It's good for 1 hour and 30 minutes din yun. Broke the support because of the market. So, no clear signals for just yet. Let's see. Right. Kahit ang market very volatile on the downside. I don't want to be aggressive on this asset. Double Dragon dropping to 7.64. Kawawa yung mga pumasok kay Double Dragon noon. Look at how high Double Dragon was before. Just contemplate lang muna tayo ng konti. It went as high as 27%. No, not 27 pesos. Even higher. Pinakamataas na tuktok niya, 79. The high period. 79 to 7 pesos today. Imagine if you bought the asset here. Okay? That's the reason I don't wanna... I always tell you guys, huwag kayong pumabasok sa mga hype. Okay? Dropping massively right now, especially that. Target ngayon ang mga Pogo. So, load chart layout. Let me load my chart layout once again. So, DD, still downtrend, man. I will stay away from it. Jeric, Panit, good evening, sir. Insights po kay Asen, BTC, BSC. Salamat po. Inaan ka lang bosses ko, guys. Sakit na lalalumunan ko eh. I was talking about Thetan kasi kanina nag-live tayo. Right, Asen, drop pa rin. Support natin dito. Let's see if ever it bounces to that support. That is where you test it out. But overall, again, guys, expensive na to. I don't really like this kind of trade. That's why I've been stopping you from buying Asen. My kind of trade right there. Masyado mataas na yan. Bababa rin yan in the future, man. Huwag nyo pilitin yung trade na yan. BTC, hindi ito. BTC USDT. Sir, your thought, maliit yung shares ng IPO ni Medlines pero almost everyone fully allocated. Alright, so that means the demand wasn't that high, right? We were expecting na maraming bibili. Your thoughts on maliit shares ng IPO and Medlines were almost fully allocated. Alright, that's good to know. If ever fully allocated siya, man. So, yeah, it's still a buy for us. So, we talked about Medilines and then cut loss lang if ever during the IPO day bumagsak siya. BTC USD still on a downtrend. Divergence, nope, no divergence just yet. Bitcoin still on a downtrend. Stay away from it for now. Still, alright, BTC, BSC. Let's check out BSC. BSC, downtrend din. Maganda yung bounce niya, ha? Excuse me. Maganda yung pinapakita niya. Engulfing pattern happened right here. Almost, so nga lang, hindi ka na-sustain. So far, so good. Bodegahin nyo. I would say bodegahin nyo for the meantime. Or, let it drop if ever it still drops. Ang pinakamaganda talaga dito is a breakout na talaga eh. Let it break out from this level right here. And that will be your signal for BSC. But for now, medyo tagilid pa siya. Stay away from it. Prince Carl, good evening. Adrian May Bautista. Good evening. Sir DNL po. Let's check out DNL. Right, Joseph Johnny Nonat. Good evening po, sir. Ask ko lang po, pag binenta ko po yung LTG sa Wednesday, may dividends po ba ako makukuha? Kailan ba yung X-date? Right, let me know when the X-date is. And then, if ever you sold it on the X-date, yes, may makukuha kayo. Prince Carl, asking about DNL. Was it Prince Carl? No, it was Adrian Bautista. DNL. Broke MA20 already. Galing ng bounce kanina. Pero, tagilid, man. Mukhang mahihila to ng market. Signs are not clear. I don't want to trade that one. JJ Virus. Omicron variant, sir. Yes, tama po kayo, Mike Eugenio. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Rantabila, 16.55%. October 1 to November 29. 2 months, 17%. Congratulations, man. How about the others? Kamusta yung others? Kamusta yung Izanagi ninyo? Please share your earnings para ma-invite natin yung mga tao. Let's go to Izanagi lang po muna. Alright. Izanagi, let me just reset my Zoom. Ito po yung returns natin kay Izanagi. This is our corporate account kay Izanagi. Partnership account na po ito. Just started January 18. And fast forward to today with the closed positions, 257% na po, almost 260%. We were expecting for the rise when the positions were going down. And I told you guys, sisipa yan pag bumabagsak, and there it is, 257% already compared to November 24 returns na 249.48%. So that's around 8% gain right there over the weekend. Congratulations sa mga may Izanagi dyan. What is Izanagi? Right, itong earnings na ito 260%. Less than a year, 11 months. Parang scam pakinggan di ba? But this is MyFX book. This is verified track records. If you can check out this returns yourself, I'll post in the comments. There you go. You can click on that and this will open for you guys. This is from XM. Pag may check po yan, that means this account is for real. For real, right? And ang kagandahan nito, we earned 260% without doing anything. Passive income po ito. Bakit? It is the bot that is trading for us. It is the program that has been trading for us already. We have already showed you the backtesting of this program. And I told you guys, with the backtesting alone, that's how you know if a good bot is good. With the backtesting video, nakita nyo naman gaano kaganda. That's the reason why we went into this and focused on this. And there it is, results. To you guys, hopefully nakapagsimula na kayo. If nakapagsimula na kayo, most probably maganda na yung kita ninyo. Congratulations. Again, chat, request naman. Izanagi ninyo. Lagay niyo po yung earnings ninyo in percentage lang to invite more to join Izanagi. Okay? This bot is for free. Wala pong bayad ang bot na ito for the bot. Pero may 500 monthly po VPS nito. VPS technically yung computer kung saan nagra-run yung bot. Tsaka yung account niyo at tinitrade yan 24/5. 24/5 lang kasi Saturday, Sunday wala ng Forex. So 24/5 every day. So babayaran niyo po yung server kung saan nagra-run yung bot. Yun lang. Right? Ganun din naman kasi kung sa PC niyo, i-on niyo po yung PC niyo buong araw. Mas mahal pa yung mababayaran niyo. Diba? So VPS lang babayaran niyo. The bot is for free. And this is the returns right here, ladies and gentlemen. Previous, disclaimer lang, previous performance doesn't mean na ito rin yung performance niya in the next 10 months. Right? Swerte lang ng mga nagsimula na maaga kay Izanagi. Again, the bot is for free. If you want to know more about it, nasa video description, the video about Izanagi. When we introduced Izanagi, that was around July. Right? And it's already up 257%. Our other accounts, makita nyo po dito, with the shadow technique, ito yung pinaka-loko na account namin. We had a video about shadow technique. Ito yung susundan ninyo si Izanagi, yung trades niya. And this account started November, 131% in less than 1 month, dumoble ang pera. And this shadow technique, I had a video about it. Right? Nag-live kami, sabi namin sa inyo, sabayan ninyo ang trade ni Izanagi. It will pay you dividends. And this is, again, verified track records, ladies and gentlemen. The shadow technique video, tignan ninyo. Yon. Okay? My other Izanagi account, 62% gains on this bad boy right here. Is this updated? Yep. 62%. And this started July. Right. So yan. Crazy numbers right there, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully, nakapagsimula na kay Izanagi. If not, sad to say, you're missing out. I always say, huwag kayong magfa-FOMO. But this is different. This is different beast, right? So, sana nakapagsimula na kayo. Right, congratulations sa mga naka-start na kay Izanagi. Sabi ni Jenner, takot mag-share ng Izanagi, sir. Baka kasi malaman ni Mrs. Bakit? Masaya dapat si Mrs. Ang ganda ng income nyo kaya. Junior Kinakailo, do you manual intervention or closure in Izanagi? More power. This one is more this one is more manual, especially the shadow technique. But the Izanagi 2.0, this is purely the bot. Yung bot na nagtatrade niyan, right? So hopefully mag-register kayo. If you haven't registered yet, andyan sa video description yung registration for Izanagi. Again, this is for free. Congratulations, Ran Tabilas, on your gains. Low USDT, this is from Kent Cordova. Time check, it's 8:23, 8:30, dadaan tayo sa YouTube. Flow USDT. Sadly, I'm not really familiar with this asset right here, but it's creating a good support right there, man. So, whatever this is there, that's a buy. Good find. Flow. Cut loss below that. G-Boy Tats, good evening. Harold Colon, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Check naman po si MM. We checked out MM already. Medyo tagilid yung support niya. So, pag nag-green lang yon, you can buy the support. Holcim though, Holcim, breakout lang muna. Pa-breakoutin nyo muna. Malaking pula kanina. Also, makakabawi pa kaya si Now? Not really sure, man. Looking at the company, it is a good company. So, I guess, kaya pa rin. But, with its current performance, okay na yung ano niya. Nagda-divergence na. So, konti lang nagbebenta sa kanya. Earnings niya, okay rin naman. Third quarter, 58% nga eh. So, habang the company's doing well, may pag-asa naman. But I don't want you to fall for that false hope. Di kasi natin alam, right? I would rather trade companies that hindi naman, it's also doing well. You can average down dito if ever ipit kayo. But right now, man, wag kayong umasa. Right? Just wait for this to go sideways and then test the trade from there. And then kung bumagsak, just cut your losses. Yun lang. Joseph Nonat, good evening po, sir. Ask ka naman po, pag binenta ko yung LTG sa Wednesday, may makukuha. Thank you. If ever sa Wednesday yung X-date niya, ibebenta mo on Wednesday, then good. Yes, you're gonna be getting the dividends. Bongbong Dignadice. Good evening, sir. Anong ibig sabihin ng bodega or bodegahin? Bodega meaning if ever it dips, you just keep buying and buying and buying. Let's say for example, ang target mo is to hold 50k worth of that asset. So what you do is, kasi umaakit yan, you don't buy the climbs. Pag bumaba and then mag-bounce na siya sa support ulit, you buy some. If it bounces again, you buy some ulit. Kunin nyo lang yung, let's say for example, the support is at 1.0. Let's say you have 100k, 100,000 pesos, hindi niyo po mabibili yan lahat ng 1.0. Okay? So, yung iba, 1.0, tapos umakyat yan, 1.01. Huwag niyo muna bilhin 1.01. Pag bumalik ulit 1.0, bilhin niyo ulit. Ganun po ang bodega. You accumulate at that level, 1.0, or your range may be 1.0 tsaka 1.2. So, whenever it reaches 1.2, you buy. Pag mag 1.5, huwag niyo bilhin. Antayin nyo muna bumalik ulit ng 1.2 that buy ulit. That is how you bodega. M. Ramadan Ismail, insights pa kay dito. Sir, dito bounce, big bounce at the support kanina, di ba? Alright, so look at that bounce right there. Binili na naman sa dito. But if you want further confirmation, let it go green. Actually, yung lakas na ng bounce kanina. That was a signal already. Dapat inabangan nyo sa support si dito. Fox Ferdy, thank you so much for the 75 stars, man. Thank you so much. Jenner, baka kunin na income kasi, sir. Bakit nanonood ba si Mrs. ninyo? Pero yeah, I know you guys, your Izanagi is doing well. Congratulations. If ever ayaw nyo mag-share, hindi naman sa pilitan yan. Yun lang akin is, tulungan nyo kami sa mission namin. We made Izanagi for free. Kasi gusto namin makatulong ng mga Pinoy. And marami na kayong kumikita kay Izanagi. Hopefully, if you wanna thank us, we will appreciate if share nyo na lang instead yung Izanagi to give the information, share to other people. Mga Pinoy, especially yung mga nangangailangan ng investments. Share to them. Hindi na kasi namin ma-reach yan lahat. So, please share to them. Yung iba pa nga, naghihingi pa ng Sir Lloyd, kung i-share ko si Izanagi, tas may referral bonus ba kayo if ma-refer ko to? Guys, libre less Izanagi. Wala na kami mabigyan na yung referral bonus dyan. Just, if you're earning in it, just share it, right? Good deeds tayo, di ba? So, please share your Izanagi journey to your friends. Kahit hindi dito sa live, if you have any friends, give them information about it. Kung ayaw nila, etc., it's okay. You did your part. You shared it to them. That's already it. That's how you help people. If ever they don't believe you, then it's their loss, not yours. Okay? So, please share this. Share Izanagi. Share the good news to everyone. Sir, paano po mag-start Izanagi? May minimum po ba, sir? This is from Jeric. Minimum niya, pinakamaliit is at around 12,500. Pero because of the monthly na 500 for the VPS, baka hindi maging sulit si Izanagi. I recommend starting at around 25k to 50,000 pesos to start with. Andyan sa video description, yung registration link. Andyan yung mga instructions. Ana May Dimag. Good evening, Sir Lloyd, Meg, and AV po. Thank you. Sure. Meg and AV. Wala ng boses. Grabe. Nag-live kasi ako kanina. Drop pa si Meg. When it dropped to MA20, I told you... when it dropped to MA20, I told you usually the asset will change the trend. Tapos yung uptrend ni Meg, it's not a buy anymore. So stay away from it. AEV red. Alright, support is right here for AEV. Abangan natin siya. Tingnan natin anong gagawin ni AEV. Hanso Sanchez. Sir Lloyd, meron ka bang other video na to sa YouTube? For this one, yung live natin, yeah, we should be live in YouTube also. Okay? So, daan tayo mamaya sa YouTube at 8:30. One more minute. Shai, how do you take profits kay Izanagi? Sir, like, i-close lang yung trade, then mahanap na ulit si bot na another trade. Automatic po yan. Hindi nyo po kailangan mag-close ng trade. Si Izanagi po mag-close niyan. Right? If you wanna do it manually, pwede rin naman, but you don't have to. Right? Charles Ang, PHR and Tech po. Thank you, sir. You're welcome. Let's go for PHR. And after this, I'm gonna go to YouTube, PHR. We dubbed this a buy already, and that's another buy signal. Still a buy for PHR. Si Tech rin, we called this a buy already support. Kaso nga lang, nag-break yung support ni Tech. So sad to say, cut loss na. And right now, no signals yet for Tech. Sad. Hindi siya nag-sustain. Nahila ng market. Alright. YouTube, magandang gabi. Prince B, sir, hindi ka po sa Stocks Ed ngayon. We're in Stocks Ed, right? We're live in Stocks Ed also, right? So, should be okay. Kinabahan ako ilang oras ako nagsisalita. Tapos, dapat Stocks Ed. You know. We're live in Stocks Ed also, right? So, should be okay. Okay lang. Live tayo sa Stocks Ed, man. Alright, Max, hi, Fear, Vincent Pascual, good evening, sir. Magandang gabi. Alan Gallardo, 25% gains for 2 months. Izanagi, congratulations. Alan Gallardo, enjoy your earnings. Guys, be like Alan. Start nyo na Izanagi nyo. Ano pa inintay nyo? Libre lang yan. Small Kids Blanco, magandang gabi, sir. Lloyd's Chili Stoked with the monkey. Emoji, Lan, Jen, Legiao, Sandman, Feliciano. Good evening, sir. Envy, everyone. Pure Gold. We covered Pure Gold already. FB and SMC. Let's check out food and beverages. San Miguel. Let it break out. Pa-breakoutin nyo muna before you wanna get in FB, SMC. The DMC na-cover na natin, so we're done with that. Downtrend pa. Mamaya na lang tayo kay SMC. Chili Stoked is asking about Greenergy. So bali po, sir, if take profit ako, withdraw na lang yung gagawin. No need to other step na po. Sorry, nangangapa pa si Izanagi. Yes po. Kasi yung funds dyan, i-hold lang ni Izanagi dyan, tapos ita-trade yung whatever funds is available depending on the setting. Okay? So kung gusto nyo po mag-take profits, happy na kayo Izanagi, ayun nyo na i-continue for next month. All you need to do is, if you want to change your password, change your password. Hindi na, or just tell our admin na hindi na kayo magtutuloy for next month para hindi na siya i-trade sa profile, and then yung pera na nasa profile ninyo, main account ninyo, you just withdraw it, and that's how you take profits technically. Greenergy, okay. So resistance right here, let it break out. Batang Fuentes, P-Core, Sir Lloyd, let's check out P-Core. Alright, downtrend pa si P-Core. Engulfing pattern right here. Hindi nag-sustain yung support niya, pero mukhang malapit na ito mag-support. So, abangan lang natin. Possible support is the previous resistance. Pwede po yan. Nerf 16. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Don't worry. I am sharing it with my friends and family. Hopefully, they will join by December or January. Thank you so much, right? Actually, it's not for us. Wala naman mawawala sa amin kung hindi nyo i-share. ang mawawalan po is yung mga kaibigan ninyo, relatives ninyo. Sayang kasi yung opportunity, di ba? Sila yung nawalan ng opportunity because you're not sharing it to them. So, amin lang is we want Filipinos to succeed. I personally want Filipinos to succeed financially. That's why andyan po si Izanagi. We kept it for free para wala nang rason. Hindi naman namin pwedeng na ilibre lang na libre kami magbigay ng pera. We don't want to spoon feed financial freedom that way. So they have to do the first step also and be willing to take the risk. Okay? Sa amin na yung process, sa amin na yung kami na bahala sa Izanagi. All they need to do is take the first step and that's it. Okay? So hopefully marami pang Pinoy ang mag-Izanagi. Sana nga ang gobyerno mag-Izanagi rin para pambayad sa utang ng Pilipinas. Kung pwede pa lang 'di ba? Nerve16, good evening Sir Lloyd, don't worry. Thank you so much, nabasa natin sir. So ano magandang risk-reward ratio for trading? What would you suggest? 1:3 risk-reward ratio. Chili Stock, thanks, you're welcome. Sir, somehow your message got retracted, Lenjen. I'm just gonna go back to YouTube. Tapos na tayo sa comments sa YouTube. Going back to Facebook. Hello to our 72,000 viewers. Thank you so much sa mga share po ninyo. Alright, so sagot na natin lahat ng comments. But before, while I'm waiting for other comments, alright, let's talk about this. Isa sa mga pinagkakabisihan ko ngayon is NFTs, right? And I told you guys, I will keep on researching about NFTs. Hanap ako ng laro na maganda. Yung maganda, hindi basta lang ginagawa yung laro na madalian para lang for the sake ng NFT. Tapos na nagpo-pull out dun kagad, tapos naipit yung mga tao. Here, check out Thetan Arena. Ito. Thetan Arena. Thetan Arena right there. Okay, so all you need to do is create an account. How do you create an account? Andyan po sa video description. Lagay ko na rin sa comments. Pinakauna yan. Pinakataas sa video description. Yung link to create an account. Okay? Asa na ba yan? Okay. So, lagay ko na rin sa comments. Just click on it. Open it on your mobile. Pwede po siya sa mobile. Alright. So, click on this link. Blah, blah, blah. Alright, so that's the link right there. I hope pwedeng maklik. I'm not really sure kung pwede maklik. Yes. And nasa video description sa mga nanonood ng replay. Alright, so the game is somehow similar to Brawl Stars. I've shown the gameplay earlier sa live natin. Pero kagandahan ng NFT na to is you can start earning already without putting in funds. Yun yung kagusto ko. I always tell you guys to start small if ever you're testing out things. And here, you can already start the game without putting funds in it. There are two ways to earn in the game. Dalawang ways to earn the game. Okay, number one is the free method, which is through their season ranking. Okay, every season, 60 days po isang season, there's a ranking. So, as you go up in the ranks, you are gonna be earning THC. So, you need to win to grow in the ranks. You need to keep on winning to reach a certain rank and then you get THC. Yung current price po ng THC ngayon is, let me share my screen sa CoinGecko, 37.71 pesos po. It's now at 34.13 pesos ang Thetan coin. Right now, overnight, naglalaro ako. I earned around 60. Nasa 100 na ako ngayon. 100 THC. And after 12 days, pwede ko na withdrawin yon. So, technically, 100 times 34, I earned 3,400 pesos overnight for Thetan for THC. And I didn't spend anything in the game yet. Okay? So, after 12 days, pakita ko sa inyo ang withdrawals ko. I'm gonna be putting it live for you guys para makita ninyo. But that is for free. Right? That's one way to earn. The second way to earn is buying their NFTs, minting their NFTs. What you can do is in their marketplace, let me share my screen once again. In their marketplace, click on these Thetan boxes, right? So one box costs the common box costs $750 US. This one costs $1,500 US. The legendary box costs around 7,800. 7,800 is, magkano ba yan? 60, or less 60,000 pesos, right? Yeah, 60,000 pesos. No, hindi. No, that's a 350,000 pesos. 350,000 pesos. Masyado mahal na yan. 1,500 is around 75,000 pesos. So yeah, if you click on one and then you open it, you will be generating NFT characters right here, and you can sell it in the marketplace. Even a common one, I'm gonna be sorting this to cheapest price is let's say for example this guy right here costs 115 USD, 115 US dollars. Now, meron po siyang GTHC battle counters right here, 3 out of 232. Meaning, this guy right here, every time you win, for 232 games, you are gonna be earning extra THC. Pero nauubos po yan. Pag naubos na po yung counter na to, hindi na siya mag-generate ng THC. Which is good because hindi siya magfa-flood ng THC sa market. Compared to Axie Infinity na forever pwede pong kumita yung mga Axie. This one right here, may counter lang siya. If ever bibili nyo to, so you have around 230 games left to gain more THC. After that, ordinary THC ranking na lang ang makikitain ninyo. And you can buy another one to earn more. Or open Thetan boxes and you will be getting random champions right here, even skins, even legendary. May chance po na kumita ng ganyan. Right? So, you purchase it, $740, 35,000, 30 to 40,000 pesos po yan. Pwede nyo benta sa marketplace or you can use the characters. And then, buy it. Paano po mag-join sa Thetan Arena? Andyan po yung link. Alright, click on this link so that you can join Thetan Arena already. Okay, pa-request po Sir Lord SGP. Alright, so, yeah, the game is like Brawl Stars. I'll show you the gameplay a little bit. Nag-gameplay ako kanina sa Facebook page ko eh. So, graphics is okay. If I score it 1 to 10, I'll give it a 6, right? I'll give it a 6, around 5 to 6, right? So, ito yung live kanina. So, the game looks like this one. So, ito yung tsura ng game. So, the green one, that's me, Yorick. So, ganyan yung itsura ng laro. There are missions. You will be learning this along the way. Ngayon, so, yan yung mga kalaban. Sa mga kampi ko. Alright, my teammate is in. I'm very low. To get the HP. Tambay muna kayo dyan mga pre. Kuha tayo ng skill. Are we gonna be able to do so? Maybe, maybe not. Get this one. Naglag na naman ako. Nastan na yan. Patay na yan. Oh, shit. Did you get out? Alright, buhay pa ako. Right, so that's technically how the game runs. So, it's enjoyable, yes. The best thing is, it's for free. You can start free. And you can already earn even if it's for free. So that's good. Medyo, I'm not a big fan of its THC burning mechanics just yet. But still, because the game is enjoyable, most probably, may mga magagastos dito to keep the environment healthy, the economy healthy. Because enjoyable yung laro. That's something. So, hopefully, you join us right here. Ito na yung pastime ko. So, bale, hopefully, I can see you here sa Thetan Arena. Joseph, request po SGP. Let's go back to charting. Ayan. So, may request na ulit tayo sa charts. Let's go ahead and go for the chart. SGP, mahirap i-chart to. Still volatile for me. Really, I can't really say right now for SGP. It's not a buy for me. Ali, may gabi sir, naked po. Let's check out. Ali dropped right there. So, baka na natin support si Ali. Sabihin ko naman sa inyo if bodegahin na naman yan. So, mamaya na. Naked, NAKD. Right, Naked, brand group. Basta Naked. Supports. Buy na tayo dito. Bodegahin nyo na sa Naked. May gabi, Joseph, paano po mag-join sa Thetan, just click on the link above. PCore and RLC. Andyan po sa video description sa mga nanonood ng replay dito. Andyan rin po sa comments, kino-comment ko. Add din sir sa Thetan, Spencer09. I think may problema po yung add friend nila. So, nagawa ako ng chat room. I'll announce the chat room tomorrow. Okay, pa-add sir, yes, definitely. Add ko kayo. Right? Gawa ako ng chat room for tomorrow. So, mga nanonood sa YouTube, kumusta? Sana makipaglaro kayo sa atin. Shout out to our 40,000 viewers. Galing. Thank you so much. Alright, so yun. Again, reminders, Izanagi. 260% already for 11 months tayo na gains. And best of all, this is passive income. Wala po akong ginawa dyan. Bot lang ang nag-trade para sa akin. And we are already up like this. And it's hard to fathom these numbers. Pang scam. Daig pa natin na scam, di ba? Nasabi ng mga scam, ilang percent every month, di ba? So, ito guys, 257% hindi scam. Nasa Forex to. And this is verified track records and only vouch. Marami tayong mga viewers na nasa Izanagi na are doing well already. Hopefully, mag-join din kayo. It's not for me, but for you guys. If you're looking for fun growth potential, high risk siya, but also very high reward potential. Check out Izanagi. Nasa video description ng video more about this so that you will understand about Izanagi more. The registration is also in the video description. Alright, so yan, medyo pagod na rin ako. So I'm gonna be calling this a short evening. I guess we've read all the comments already. I'll see you again tomorrow. And as always, this is Lloyd Bazaar saying let's get rich together. Please enjoy the rest of the evening. Bye.